Hey guys, welcome to Digit. This is the Redgear Pro Series wireless gamepad. It's an upgraded version with two dongles. There are a few things you should know about this before you actually buy it. It's got a nice matte finish, which gives you a nice solid grip when you're playing. Another feature is the turbo button, which gives you a certain edge when it comes to button mashing. When you press the turbo and any of the A, B, X, Y buttons, it'll keep pressing that button until you pressing the turbo button again to turn it off. Another thing you should know are these LED indicators at the bottom. When they're flashing the way they are right now, it basically indicates they have low battery. This gamepad also has X input and direct input functions. So when the first and third LEDs are on, it indicates that's an X input mode, and when the second and fourth LEDs are on, it indicates that it's in direct input mode. The modes can be switched by using the home key by pressing the home key for around 5 seconds. The controller also comes with a reset key at the bottom. You need to take a pin and push the button in the hole so that the gamepad resets to factory settings, which should help you out in case there's any kind of software glitch or any kind of problem with connecting the gamepad to the computer itself. So there you have it, the Redgear Pro Series wireless gamepad. Thank you for watching.